that you can write the brand name for those drugs. ठीक है, so identified drug वो मिलते ही हैं anywhere. Anyway, so today we are going to continue with the drugs related to anticonvulsant. ठीक है, first part of our classification, in that we have seen the drugs related to the derivative of barbiturate. The first part is the derivative of barbiturate, but you don't have any kind of drug related to barbiturates in your syllabus, even though we have written the phenobarbital. So this is the example. If you're getting the classification, write the classification of anticonvulsant drug. Then you write first part, number one, barbiturates. In that, the example of that class is phenobarbital. Okay, phenobarbital. This one is over. No need to draw the structure in your syllabus anywhere. It is not mentioned the category of drug which we are belonging to the barbiturate in the anticonvulsant chapter. It's not there. Then second type of classification, type 2 classifications are the derivatives of hedontoins. Okay, so hedontoin, the derivatives of hedontoin, under this category you have to study three drugs. Okay, see, if the class, if the category is barbiturate, means the nucleus of that drug phenobarbital का जो nucleus है, that is the heterocycle, barbiturate heterocycle. This is the nucleus of the drug. The basic moiety is barbiturate. The derivative of this barbiturate is phenobarbital. It means that SAR of barbiturate, you have to remember the full SAR of barbiturate. Like in the sedative and hypnotics, we have done the SAR of 1,4-benzodiazepine completely. If anywhere modifications are there in 1,4-benzodiazepine, then those modifications we have to incorporate while writing the SAR of that drug. Understood? So now the class of the drug is hedontoin. Here in your syllabus, from the hedontoin derivatives, you are having hedontoin class, you are having three derivatives you have to study in your syllabus. The three drugs were mentioned, that is phenytoin, 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 then mephotoin and ethotoin. Ethotoin. These are the three drugs from this hedontoin categories. These are the derivatives of hedontoin: phenytoin, mephotoin, and ethotoin. Total in this convulsant chapter, 12 drugs you have to study, and one synthesis. One synthesis. One synthesis. Like in sedative and hypnotics, total 8 drug and one synthesis. Here, total 11 drugs. For one drug you are having synthesis. The total drugs were 12 over here. The total drugs were 9 na, 9 over here. ठीक है, सेडेटिव हिप्नोटिक्स के अंदर 9 drugs थे, 9 drugs were there belonging to the 1,4-benzodiazepine, as well as 3 drugs for your self study, that also we have covered up. So here you are having 12 drugs. From this 12, one synthesis is there. There were no self study part related to drug, but self study is different kind of scissors that we have covered up. Okay. Then phenytoin, mephotoin, and ethotoin belonging to the category of hedontoin. It means the SAR of hedontoin we have to cover up first. First हम लोग देखेंगे SAR of hedontoin. Suppose in examination you are getting the question, write the structure SAR of phenytoin. Then you have to draw, you have to draw the structure of phenytoin, then chemical name of phenytoin, and SAR of phenytoin. SAR of phenytoin, SAR of phenytoin is nothing but SAR of hedontoin, and what kind of modifications are there, that modification you have to incorporate into the SAR part. Means if 3 lines were there, modification on that hedontoin, any kind of modifications are there, like in phenytoin, what kind of substituents are there, the activity of that substituent you have to incorporate while writing the SAR part of the drug. Understood? So now we'll see the SAR part of this hedontoin drug. Okay? Now I'm going to write the basic nucleus of hedontoin. ये 3 ड्रग पढ़ने हैं from this class. So I'm going to write the basic new. Now I'm not writing the structure of phenytoin, mephotoin, or acetone. I'm writing the basic nucleic, basic structure. Like in sedative and hypnotics, we have drawn the basic structure of 1,4-benzodiazepine. Then we have categorized the SAR, that is structure, activity, as well as relationship of those carbon atom, position of carbon atom, position of nitrogen atom on the target receptor. Similarly, the position of carbon atom, position of nitrogen atom, position of substituent on the target receptor. ठीक है, दिस इज द बेसिक मॉइटी, मॉडिफिकेशन नहीं, ड्रग का स्ट्रक्चर नहीं, बेसिक मॉइटी आई एम ड्राइंग. ठीक है, बेसिक मॉइटी ऐसी रहती है हेड एंड ट्राइन की. हियर यू आर हैविंग 1NH, दिस इज द बेसिक मॉइटी. ठीक है, हियर one more nitrogen atom you are having, 5-membered ring with 2 nitrogen atom. Here you are having 1 substituent. Okay, so here also you are having 2 alkyl, aryl, acyl or alkyl group. This one is R5, don't make noise, R5. This one is also R5. Here you are having 1 ketonic group, here you are having 1 ketonic group. Here also you are having 1 ketonic group. Now we have to write the, what we have to write? We have to write the structure. Now we have to write the SAR of this Haddington. SAR. ठीक है, हम लोग लिख रहे हैं SAR, structure, activity and relationship. ठीक है, so here SAR, in this SAR part, to depict the SAR, to analyze the structure, activity and relationship, it's very important. Structural activity and relationship of any categories of drug which are modified drugs. Modified drugs will comes under the category of the basic drug. सपोज आपका हेट्रोसाइकल ये है, ये कॉमन न्यूक्लियस है, जहां पर भी मॉडिफिकेशन होगा, दोज मॉडिफिकेशंस आर डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ ड्रग बट द बेसिक मॉइटी इज सेम. So SAR of that basic moiety, first of all we have to solve. जब हमको वो पूरा perfect हो जाएगा, बेस में क्या है, then any kind of modification associated with that basic nucleus, we can incorporate that one in these lines. ठीक है, इसके अंदर हमको इनकारपोरेट, यहाँ पे अराइल और असाइल, कोई आर मीन्स कोई भी ग्रुप रहेगा यहाँ पे सब्सटीट्यूशन में. ठीक है, क्या रहेगा दैट विल सी. फर्स्ट विल गिव नंबरिंग टू द स्ट्रक्चर. The main important is position of the heteroatom or position of carbon atoms in the structure. 2, and this one is 3, this one is 4, this one is 5. See, numbering I have started from here onwards. Substituent यहाँ पे नजदीक है, मैं यहाँ से भी जा सकती थी, but it is not possible. We are going to give priority to the carbonyl group. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. इधर से जाएंगे तो दूर हो जाएगा, इधर से जाएंगे तो नजदीक होगा कार्बोनियल ग्रुप. ठीक है, so that's why I started numbering from this onward. So first point, while writing the SAR of this drug, first point is, first part of SAR of Haddington is, first we'll start with the phenyl group. Suppose ये जो R5 R5 है यहाँ पे, if the R fifth position, that is on fifth position, if phenyl groups are there, phenyl or phenyl है भैया, अदर एरोमेटिक सब्सटीट्यूएंट्स. फिनाइल आर मतलब कुछ भी हो सकता है, अल्काइल भी हो सकता है, अराइल भी हो सकता है. ऑन फिफ्थ पोजीशन फिनाइल और अदर एरोमेटिक सब्सटीट्यूएंट है, या अदर एरोमेटिक सब्सटीट्यूएंट सब्स लगे हैं इस पे, सब्सटीट्यूएंट है which were essential substituent है, then these are essential for the activity, very important for the activity. These are essential substituents. On fifth position, if we are having phenylic group in the structure, if we are having aromatic group, those substituents are essential for anticonvulsant activity. ठीक है, not other activity. I am not talking about the sedative and hypnotic activity. So this 5-membered ring, if it is associated with phenyl or aromatic substituent, then with these substituents are essential for the activity, means anticonvulsant activity. Then second point, ठीक है। अब ये जो बेसिक पार्ट है आपको मॉडिफाई करते जाना पड़ेगा। जैसे ये स्ट्रक्चर आएगा फिनिटॉइन, if you are having phenyl group, then there you don't have to write, you could not, you won't write like or other aromatic substance directly. They in that structure directly phenylic groups are there. Then you have to write that these phenylic groups were essential for the activity. So there you have to write the present tense. Here if possible or not possible, possibility we are giving over here. Okay. On second part, अल्काइल सब्सटीट्यूएंट, सेकेंड मैं दूसरा पॉइंट लिख रही हूँ और एस ए आर पार्ट। अल्काइल सब्सटीट्यूएंट है, सब्सटीट्यूएंट एट पोजीशन 5, ठीक है। फिनाइल नहीं है, एरोमेटिक ग्रुप नहीं है। अगर अल्काइल सब्सटीट्यूएंट है अदर देन फिनाइल एंड एरोमेटिक कंपोनेंट, if any kind of alkyl substituents are there at position 5, then what will happen? It will contribute or it gives sedative actions, sedative properties instead of anticonvulsant property. sedative property देगा ये, sedative property which are absence in phenytoin. Okay? phenytoin. Listen, मैंने पहले ही बोला if we are writing the SAR we are writing for the basic moiety, that is derivative, that is the basic moiety. Then drugs which are belonging to this derivatives, this category are the derivatives. जो भी ड्रग इसके कैटेगरी में आएंगे वो रहेंगे डेरिवेटिव, बट हेडेंटॉइन इज द बेसिक न्यूक्लियस, barbiturate is the basic nucleus. The drug belonging to the barbiturates are phenobarbital. Of course, जब अब ये कैटेगरी है तो SAR हमको particularly basic nucleus का पढ़ना पड़ेगा. See here we are saying that it is supposed to be, it is supposed to be, ये हो सकता है, अगर ये है तो ये हो सकता है. But if we are writing SAR of that particular drug in examination, मैम आप मुझे ये बोलेंगे मैडम we have done the SAR of that particular part, that is a basic nucleus, how to write the SAR of this drug? Almost all the points are applicable, all these derivative applicable on all these derivative, because here what I am writing phenyl or aromatic components अगर हैं तो essential for activity, अगर नहीं है तो activity essential नहीं देगा. अल्काइल सब्सटीट्यूएंट है अगर पोजीशन 5 पे, then you have to write directly that alkyl substituents are there, that's why this drug is sedative, act as sedative and hypnotic. But alkyl substituent नहीं है, then phenolic substituents are there, and that is the phenytoin sodium. This point itself explaining that if alkyl substituents are there at position 5, it gives sedative property which are absent in phenytoin. phenytoin के अंदर alkyl substituent नहीं रहेंगे, इसका मतलब phenytoin में aromatic component रहेंगे या phenylic group रहेंगे. Third and last point for SAR of this hedentoin is अदर हिप्नोटिक, लाइक अमॉन्ग अदर सेडेटिव हिप्नोटिक जो भी पढ़ा हम लोगों ने. सो दैट इज 1,3 it is 1,3 disubstituted. Among other hypnotics, 1,3 disubstituted hedentoin. I'm not talking about the benzodiazepine. Benzodiazepine की बात नहीं कर रही हूँ मैं. I'm talking about hedentoin. Particularly we are focusing on the chapter central nervous system, that is controlling center. All these drugs are to treat the deficiency related to the controlling center, means almost all drugs having particular property on controlling center, that is different kind of neurotransmitters. अगर if this kind of drug, miscellaneous drug हमने देखा था, miscellaneous drugs के अंदर वो कैटेगरी आएगी जो बिलोंग नहीं करेंगे वो कैटेगरी पे. Some drugs are there which are not belonging to the group of that category but they are having the activity. Similarly here also hedentoin, if the hedentoin structure having the property of sedative and hypnotic, अगर ये miscellaneous category में आ रहा है sedative and hypnotic के, hedentoin drug आ रहा है, means other miscellaneous drugs which were related to hedentoin derivatives, means among other hypnotics 1,3 disubstituted hedentoins having the activity against anticonvulsant against anticonvulsant but used to treat electric shock induced in convulsion. Electric shock induced in convulsion. So these are the 3 points of SAR. Now the last point says that first point about phenylic group, second point about alkyl substituent on this R position phenyl या alkyl substituent है तो हमको क्या हो सकता है. So if they are present, what kind of activity? If they are absent, what kind of activity? But the last point says that about the miscellaneous part of the sedative and hypnotic. This it means that these kind of drugs also having the sedative and hypnotic property, but if it is on 1,3 disubstituted hedentoin, first and third substituent पे nitrogen atom पे, first or third nitrogen atom पे, if any kind of substituents are there on the hedentoin derivatives which were exhibit the property of convulsion. अगर यहाँ पर कुछ substituent है, if any kind of methyl group, any kind of alcoholic group, any kind of aryl group, any kind of aromatic atoms were there on this position, they are having the anticonvulsant action. But in relative small dose, they are having the sedative property. अगर substituent है तो convulsion property देगा. While अगर convulsion property दे रहा है, if there is no substitution on this position, means कोई substituent है तो miscellaneously ये act करेगा sedative and hypnotics के लिए. अगर कोई heavy substituent यहाँ पर नहीं है, if heavy substituents are not there on this two part, then this drug is act to treat the seizure. Seizures means the generalized symptoms of seizure, the second part of seizure. Generalized symptom of seizure, in the generalized symptom of seizure, that is absence, treatment of absence, because it is mild convulsion, it is used in the treatment of mild convulsion. So this is about the SAR. देखो अभी ये जो basic SAR अपना हो गया, this is the basic SAR. Now we'll move on to the drug. अब SAR खत्म हो गया. Now we have covered up the what. Now we know that this is the structure. If any substituents are there on this position, what kind of activity and what are the relationship on the target receptor. ठीक है. So target receptor पे क्या act करेगा? Those are the four mechanism of action that we have discussed while the chapter we have started, like inhibition of sodium channel, inhibition of GABA transaminase enzyme, inhibition of T cell calcium current channels, then inhibition of GABA agonist activity. So all these things we have. So these are the main mechanism where this drug is going to be blocked if they are having deficiency in that kind of neurotransmitters. ठीक है. GABA receptor, calcium channel, sodium channel पे act करेंगे ये सारे drug. That's why these are used in the treatment of seizures. So those four mechanism of actions are related to the shock and seizure. If something is happened, suddenly something is happened, then that person is goes under the convulsion disorder, means he will be absence. For absence also two types. Absence means seizure. Seizures are also two types, general seizure as well as partial seizure, local as well as general, two types. अब ये जो भी ड्रग हम लोग पढ़ेंगे, those drugs were associated with this kind of deficiency. Now we'll see the next chapter. We'll see the drugs of head and time. We said that the three drugs which were related to the head and time derivatives. First example of the drug in head and time is phenytoin. PHE. Phenobarbital is different. Phenytoin is different. Phenytoin comes under the class of head and time. Phenobarbital comes under the class of barbiturate. But barbiturate, derivatives of barbiturate in anticonvulsant part, you don't have any kind of drug in anticonvulsant. Barbiturate की कोई भी derivative anticonvulsant में नहीं है among all the 12 drugs which is mentioned in your syllabus. Okay. Phenytoin. If you are having any doubt, you can unmute yourself and ask your doubt to me anytime. You can interrupt me anytime. It's not like that you don't have to talk while I am taking the lecture. ठीक है, अगर कुछ डाउट आ रहा है ना तो मुझे डायरेक्टली पूछ लो, अनम्यूट करो और पूछ लो. So next drug is phenytoin. I am drawing the structure of phenytoin. Structure of phenytoin. I expect that you are sitting with notebook and pen. Phenytoin, nitrogen atom over here. This is the derivative of head and time. So see here, you are having, there you have written that RR group, but in phenytoin you are having two phenyl C6H5. You are having two phenylic group C6H5. So here you are having two phenylic group. Okay. Here you are having one proton. There is no substituent. In SAR part, we already said that any kind of substituents are there on this position, this nitrogen atom, then the drug will exhibits the sedative hypnotic property. Carbonyl group over here and carbonyl group over here. But here on the R part, you don't have anything in the phenytoin. Directly you are having proton. It means that this drug is having anticonvulsant property. There is no substitution over here, no substitution on this. Our SAR part says that if any kind of substituent on this position, then the drug exhibits the hypnotic property. But in the part of phenytoin, it is absent. That's why it is totally dedicated. This drug is totally dedicated to treat the seizures. ठीक है, तो अभी मैं क्या करती हूँ, इसको नंबरिंग देती हूँ. सो नंबरिंग सिमिलरली हेडेंटाइन को जो दिया था वही 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now I am going to write the IUPAC name for this structure. Then IUPAC name for this structure. The IUPAC name for this structure, it's very simple, not that much tedious. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On fifth position, we are having two phenylic groups. So we'll write 5, 5, 2, 5, 5, diphenyl, because we are having two phenylic group over there. Diphenyl, ठीक है. Diphenyl. Dene. Very, very simple structure. Imidazolidine. Imidazolidine. 2 on second and fourth position. 2, 4, 2 ketonic group we are having. Dione. ठीक है. 5, 5 डाइमिथाइल ये ग्रुप है, ये कैटेगरी है हेट्रोसाइकिल की इमिडाजोल. On second and fourth position, we are having two carbonyl group. Those are ketonic group. We don't have any kind of substituent over here. That is, it is directly we can write the name. It is imidazole. Okay, directly. Common name जो इसका है, the common name for this two nitrogen atom is imidazole. The carbonyl group we have gave the position. Now IUPAC name is over. Then it comes under which category? Chemical category. Why we are writing here chemical category everywhere in place of every structure? If in your examination you're getting the question like uh, write any drug which belonging to this category, if it is like that, then you have to write any one drug belonging to that category. Chemical category, chemical class or chemical category. I'm going to write the chemical class. It belonging to the class, you know very well, it belonging to the class of imidazolidine. ये नहीं पढ़ा मैडम हमने, you don't have to say like that. Imidazolidine dione derivatives or of course it is head-and-ion derivatives. ये भी बोल सकते हैं इसको because it is the basic nucleus is imidazole, dione to ketone or head-and-ion. The common name of this class is head-and-ion. ठीक है, आप ऐसा भी इसको इसको ये नाम दिस IUPAC नेम यू कैन मेक इट लिटिल बिट शॉर्ट. ठीक है, कैसे कैसे शॉर्ट कर सकते हैं इसको? इंस्टेड ऑफ राइटिंग इमिडाजोलिडीन 2,4-dione यू कैन राइट 5,5-diphenyl हेडेंटाइन. सबसे छोटा नाम हो जाएगा इसका. यू कैन राइट अनदर वन केमिकल नेम, ये नाम लिख सकते हो. दिस इज ऑल्सो राइट. अगर उतना भी नहीं लिखना चाह रहे, आप डायरेक्ट डेरिवेटिव लिखना चाह रहे हो, आप देयर इज नो सब्स्टिट्यूएंट ओवर हियर. दिस कैटेगरी बिलोंगिंग टू द हेडेंटाइन. यू कैन राइट 5,5-diphenyl हेडेंटाइन. सो और थोड़ा छोटा हो गया स्ट्रक्चर, इतना याद नहीं आ रहा, देन यू राइट दिस मच. ठीक है, ओवर. This is belonging to the chemical class. IUPAC name, one name, two name. You can either you can write this name or else you can write this name for the phenytoin. Now we'll see the uses. So मैंने सबसे पहले आपको अपने सेल्फ स्टडी नहीं बोला क्योंकि मैंने ही डिस्कस किया because the scissors are very important. The class of scissors are very important associated with that drug. That's why we have covered up first the SAR activity, structural activity and relationship of that drug. Now सी क्यों मैंने लिया सीजर वहां पे? मैं बोल सकती थी आपको यू कैन डू द सेल्फ स्टडी, राइट द असाइनमेंट बोल सकती थी बिकॉज यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड द पर्टिकुलर ड्रग विच बिलोंगिंग टू द सीजर. बट ये सेल्फ स्टडी है, आप एक बार अच्छे से पढ़ लेना उसको. ठीक है, जितना मैंने बोला उतना पढ़ लेना. यूजेस, it is used for prevention of tonic and clonic kind of seizure. ठीक है, टॉनिक एंड क्लॉनिक मैंने बोला था कौन सा क्लास, which will comes under which class? Clonic. Tonic and clonic comes under third category of generalized seizure. Generalized seizure की क्लासिफिकेशन में तीसरी कैटेगरी पे आएंगे टॉनिक एंड क्लॉनिक काइंड ऑफ सीजर. है ना, तुमको याद है ना? here all the symptom associated with the absence as well as another one is दूसरा वाला क्या था? absence plus in that seizure. याद है किसी को? कोई बोल सकता है?
Jerking, ma'am.
हाँ. So both the conditions are associated with this. This is the third category. ठीक है, tonic and clonic here. So this drug phenytoin is used in the treatment of. So दो कैटेगरी जो है जनरलाइज्ड इसके, वहां पे ड्रग की जरूरत नहीं रहती. वेल एक्सप्लेनेशन I already said that the tonic and clonic required medication. So those two condition of generalized classification and kind of seizure doesn't require any kind of treatment, but tonic and clonic require treatment because both the symptoms are associated with the tonic and clonic kind of seizures. Tonic and clonic used in the treatment of tonic and clonic seizure and partial seizure. Partial seizure, which seizure it is? Partial seizure is the fourth category of the common, third category of the first kind of seizure. First kind of seizure is temporary seizure and generalized seizure. जो temporary first वाला seizure था उसके सीजर में थर्ड कैटेगरी था, द थर्ड कैटेगरी वाज पार्शियल सीजर. सो दिस कैन बी यूज्ड इन द ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ द फर्स्ट कैटेगरी लास्ट पार्ट एंड सेकेंड कैटेगरी जनरलाइज सीजर के अंदर टॉनिक एंड क्लॉनिक, एंड हियर also used in the treatment of partial scissors. ठीक है, partial scissor but not absent scissors. पार्शियल सीजर में यूटिलाइज होगा, ऑफ कोर्स टॉनिक सीजर में यूटिलाइज होगा. दीज आर नॉट यूज्ड इन द ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ एब्सेंस. जैसे मैंने एग्जांपल बोला था एब्सेंस सीजर के अंदर, इफ द कंडीशन ऑफ द पर्सन ही वाज जस्ट एब्सेंट, he was totally stick to one object, he was not moving at all, but he was the person is alert but he stick to one object. If we are disturbing that person with something, if we are calling the name of that person, if we are doing something with that person other than to divert his focus on that object, अगर उसको डाइवर्ट कर देंगे तो वो नॉर्मल हो जाएगा. सो हियर ही डजंट रिक्वायर any kind of medication, but tonic and clonic as well as to treat the partial seizure we are going to give the phenytoin. ठीक है, phenytoin. But the absent seizure में we are not going to use the drug. partial seizure but not absent seizures. absent seizures के अंदर नहीं यूज करेंगे. ठीक है, seizures. So these drugs can be given intravenously. Uses, दो ही यूज है इसके. दिस इज यूज एज एंटीकन्वल्सेंट. in anticonvulsant used to treat the condition of tonic and clonic as well as partialized seizure. ठीक है, so brand name it's sold under the brand name of Dilantin, Dilantin, Dilantin. So this is the brand name of this drug. Uses over, ठीक है, केमिकल क्लास, केमिकल स्ट्रक्चर. सो दिस इज अबाउट द फिनीटॉइन. तो ये सिंथेसिस वगैरह कुछ नहीं है, सो डोंट स्क्रैच योर हेड विद द सिंथेटिक पार्ट. स्क्रीन शेयरिंग स्टॉप्स. ओके, स्क्रीन इज विजिबल नो? मेरा स्क्रीन विजिबल है?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, नेक्स्ट ड्रग, सेकेंड ड्रग after phenytoin is mefenitoin. So mefenitoin sold under the brand name of, directly I will write the brand name of the drug, mesanolone. Mefentyne brand name is mesanolone. So see the structure थोड़ा different है here. In phenytoin we are having two phenylic group, but in mefenitoin we don't have any kind of phenylic group, but the basic nucleus of hedentoin is same. Carbonyl group over here, कार्बोनियल ग्रुप जो है वैसे ही रहेंगे, उसको कुछ उसके अंदर कुछ डिस्टर्बेंस नहीं होगा. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे पोजीशन हियर in phenytoin we are having proton, but here we don't have proton, we are having ethyl group over here in the mefenitoin. ठीक है, प्रोटॉन यहाँ पे है as it is, but here sorry ethyl group नहीं, methyl group. So we are having methyl group over here in mefenitoin, carbonyl group as it is, but here we are having one C6H5 phenylic group. There we are having two phenylic group in the phenytoin, but here we are having one phenyl group plus one ethyl group. So two extra things we are having here. So this structure is mefenitoin. We are having only one aromatic component in this structure. ठीक है, numbering is as it is 1 2 3 4 5। तो SAR अगर पूछ रहा है, you can mold that SAR. Only 2 point you have to write if the SAR of this drug is comes in your examination. On 5th position you are having phenylic group, so that is essential for the anticonvulsant activity. The ethyl group, which increases the duration of half life of the drug. This methyl group also produce alkylating property of that drug, and head and turn derivatives is essential for product formation of एंटीकन्वुल्सेंट एक्टिविटी। 3 पॉइंट ही लिखना है बस, दूसरा कुछ नहीं लिखना है यहाँ पे। 2 पॉइंट आएंगे बस, 3 नहीं आएंगे, ओनली 2 पॉइंट्स यू हैव टू राइट इफ अगर SAR आ रहा है, ठीक है। नहीं आ रहा है, स्ट्रक्चर एंड यूजेस पूछ रहा है, देन वेल एंड गुड राइट द स्ट्रक्चर एंड यूजेस ऑफ द ड्रग, ठीक है। अभी मैं लिख रही हूँ आयुपैक नेम। व्हाई आई एम राइटिंग आयुपैक नेम फॉर ऑलमोस्ट ऑल ड्रग? because convert the structure to name to structure, it will helpful for you people over there। आयुपैक, ठीक है। आई एम राइटिंग द केमिकल नेम ऑफ द स्ट्रक्चर। ऑफ कोर्स आपको पता है कैसे लिखना है, यू आर वेरी गुड इन राइटिंग द केमिकल स्ट्रक्चर। ऑफ कोर्स ऑन 5th पोजीशन व्हाट वी आर अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर में जाएंगे, 5 इथाइल, ठीक है। On 3rd position what we are having, one more methyl group we are having, one methyl, yes, ठीक है। On 5th position we are having one more phenyl group। छोटा कैसे लिखना है वो भी बताती हूँ मैं, नाम इसका phenyl group। 2nd and 4th position you are having 2 carbonyl group, 2 4 imidazolidine dione, directly I am writing 2 4 dione, or you can write 1 3 imidazolidine dione, ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो। पूरा नाम लिखना है तो छोटा ही लिखना है तो छोटा, ऐसे भी कर सकते हो। imidazolidine dione, ये हो गया वन नेम, ठीक है, वन नेम। अनदर वन नेम, ये भी लिख सकते हो आप केमिकल नाम आयुपैक नेम, ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो। अनदर वन स्टाइल ऑफ राइटिंग द आयुपैक नेम फॉर दिस स्ट्रक्चर इज 5 इथाइल, ठीक है, 5 फिनाइल, 3 मिथाइल, ठीक है, 3 मिथाइल। अब आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू राइट 2 4 imidazolidine dione, इतना बड़ा याद नहीं आ रहा मुझे, दिस मच वेरी बिग इट इज, आई एम हैविंग शॉर्टेज ऑफ रनिंग आउट ऑफ टाइम। देन 3 मिथाइल हेडेंटाइन, छोटा कर दिया मैंने, 3 मिथाइल हेडेंटाइन डायरेक्टली। सो ये भी लिख सकते हो आप, पूरा लिखना है तो ये भी लिख सकते हो, ठीक है, दोनों सेम है, नो डिफरेंस इन दिस स्ट्रक्चर इन द केमिकल आयुपैक नेम। Instead of writing 2 4 imidazolidine dione or imidazolidine 2 4 dione 2 4 on, instead of writing that much big, I have made it short. So hedentoin, directly I have written the common name for the basic nucleus, hedentoin. So this is about the mephinetoin. Chemical class, of course you know it comes under the which class, chemical class, it belongs to the chemical class of imidazolidine dione derivatives as well as hedentoin derivative. This drug is belonging to the hedentoin derivative, hedentoin derivative, or you can write imidazolidine dione derivative. imidazolidine dione derivative, तो ये भी लिख सकते हो, ये भी लिख, केमिकल क्लास। अगर ये पूछ रहा है, इस क्लास का ड्रग पूछ रहा है, then you write any one drug among this. Now uses, we'll see the important one, structure and uses ही आएंगे एग्जाम में। आयुपैक नेम आया तो आयुपैक नेम, क्लास आया तो क्लास, यूज आया तो यूज, यू शुड रेडी विथ एनीथिंग, ठीक है। यूजेस यूज्ड इन द ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ एंटी कन्वल्सेंट, effective in, very much effective, this drug is very much effective, anticonvulsant, almost all anticonvulsant, any kind of convulsions are there, this is the common drug which doctor prescribe to the patients of seizure। अगर कुछ भी नहीं अवेलेबल है, मिफिटाइन अवेलेबल है तो फिनिटाइन नहीं अवेलेबल है, रिप्लेसमेंट ऑफ फिनिटाइन वी कैन प्रिस्क्राइब मेफिटाइन to that person, but it is not long lasting, it is half life compared to the phenytoin, because phenytoin contain two aromatic groups. The half life of the drug is more than compared to phenytoin. So this drug is used in almost all kind of
29
anticonvulsant disorder or
बच्चे
anticonvulsant
उसके
effect,
लिए
but particularly जैसे फिनिटाइन यूज हुआ पर्टिकुलरली टॉनिक एंड क्लॉनिक एपिलेप्सी और सीजर.
नहीं मैंने ना अच्छा मैंने पैकेट और कौन से बनने कही
बड़े बड़े हैं क्या?
नहीं छोटे
ठीक है. So this is about the mefenatine uses as well as chemical name of mefenatine. Now what we'll do, next drug, the last drug of hedentine derivative is ethitine. The uses, as already I said, that it is used in almost all kind of anticonvulsant effect, but particularly tonic and clonic kind of epilepsy, that is tonic and clonic kind of seizure, that is stiffening as well as kind of seizure. Third structure is ethitine. थर्ड एंड लास्ट स्ट्रक्चर इज, डोंट मेक नॉइज प्लीज. मैं कितना म्यूट कर रही हूँ, कौन है पता नहीं. मेथिटाइन, एथिटाइन सॉरी. So this drug is sold under the brand name of Peganone. Peganone. ठीक है. Structure of ethitine I am writing now. What I am writing, that is the structure of ethitine. Same here. Two nitrogen atoms are there over here, belonging to the category of hedentine. Two carbonyl groups were there over here, but in ethitine you are having the ethyl group over here. You don't have any kind of methyl group. So here you are having phenolic group C6H5. You don't have any kind of ethyl group over here. If the drug is in this fashion, अगर ऐसे condition का drug है, then that is ethitine. The structure of the drug is ethitine. Numbering, yes, 1 2 3 4 5. Of course the numbering is like that. अब chemical name आप खुद भी लिख सकते हो. It's very easy to write the chemical name of this drug. Of course it is on third position. We are having ethyl group, 3 ethyl. Try to write the chemical name of the structure along with me if you are sitting with pen and paper. 5 phenyl imidazolidine 2,4 dione. So, अगर इसको और सिंपल करना है, instead of writing imidazolidine dione you can write hedentine. ठीक है. So this is the chemical class belong, this kind of drug is belonging to the category of hedentine or imidazolidine dione. Both are same, only imidazolidine dione भी वही है और hedentine भी वही है. Chemical class of imidazolidine diones are three drugs, that is phenytoin, methitine and ethitine. देन हेडेंटाइन डेरिवेटिव भी वही है. दोनों नाम सेम है, कंफ्यूज मत होना इन एग्जामिनेशन. डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज. the IUPAC name for hedentine is imidazolidine dione. ठीक है. Uses of this drug, important part. Uses of ethitine is treatment नहीं यहाँ पे. With the ethitine we can't treat the seizure, but we can control the seizure, tonic and clonic condition. All the drugs used in the treatment of a tonic and clonic, phenytoin particularly, the phenytoin is the main drug to treat the tonic and clonic kind of seizure. Methitine and ethitine, these are the, methitine is used to treat in absence of phenytoin, but it is short half-life. But ethitone, when both the drugs were not available, then that seizures can be controlled by ethitone. So this tonic and clonic condition can be controlled by this drug, tonic and clonic condition. Control कर सकते, control of tonic and clonic kind of seizure. Treatment नहीं, only control. ठीक है, as well as complex and partial kind of seizures. Complex, partial and secondary kind of seizures were there. That is the three classification of generalized normal kind of seizures. Complex, partial, कंट्रोल करते हैं, सिर्फ कंट्रोल, हाँ, कंट्रोलिंग ऑफ टॉनिक एंड क्लॉनिक and controlling of complex and partial kind of seizures. Or you can say the epilepsy. ठीक है, so this is about the phenytoin, methitoin and ethitoin, head and toin derivative. In the next class we are going to discuss about the other group of drug associated with the anticonvulsant agent. ठीक है, any doubt related to this topic स्टूडेंट्स? अभी मुझे यही बोला, मुझे पता नहीं कि सब लोग सुन रहे हैं या नहीं सुन रहे.
नो मैम.
नहीं सुन रहे? लिसनिंग ना?
यस.
हैविंग एनी डाउट? नो डाउट्स? डाउट्स आर ऑलवेज वेलकम. आप डिस्कस कर सकते हो, मेरे पास 10 मिनट्स है. 10 more minutes I am having. If you are having any doubt, you can discuss along with me. Anything related to the topic what we have completed.
मैम,
हाँ बोलो.
वो सेकंड ड्रग है ना मेफेनेटोइन, उसके यूजेस बताओ ना.
मेफेनेटाइन के यूजेस मैंने नहीं दिया. यूज
बताया आपने मैम.
एंटी कन्वल्सेंट इफेक्ट इन टॉनिक एंड क्लॉनिक एपिलेप्सी.
ओके.
मेफेनेटाइन. एथिटाइन भी सेम है, एंटी कन्वल्सेंट इन clonic, tonic as well as complex and partial kind of seizure, but it is used to control those kind of seizure. Ethinityne control करेगा सिर्फ सारे seizures को, but mefenatine and phenytoin particularly dedicated to tonic and clonic kinds of seizure. ठीक है, और कोई डाउट?
ओके, थैंक यू.
वेलकम, यू ऑलवेज वेलकम. और किसी को कोई डाउट? रिजवान है क्या क्लास में? कल भी मैंने रिजवान को बुलाया, ही वॉज नॉट एट ऑल रिस्पॉन्डिंग टू द कॉल. रिजवान.
हाँ मैम.
अरे क्या कर रहे हो तुम? सो गए क्या तुम मेरा लेक्चर सुनते सुनते?
नहीं मैम, जाग गई हूँ.
रिकॉर्डिंग बंद कर दे. हाँ, क्या कर रहे हो? जाग रहे हो क्या?
हाँ मैम.
फिर कल क्या कर रहे थे आप? सुनाई नहीं दिए. मैं इतना बुलाई, मैं रिजवान कर रहा.
कल था तो मैम, ऑनलाइन ही था मैं अभी.
फिर आपका नाम मैंने बुलाया ना, सुनाई नहीं दिया?
नहीं मैम, मुझे तो नहीं सुनाई दिया हो.
चलो ठीक है. Allah, if you take care. If you don't have any doubt, means I am going to close my class. Should I stop recording and class also?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. If you don't have any doubt, really you don't have any doubt? No doubts? Then I am going to close my classroom. Take care. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.